2010 Dodge Ram 1500 4.7 liter engine. I need to change the fan clutch. And I tried all these methods on YouTube, and this thing is still loose, and I can still not take this bolt off right there. So somebody I know told me try this, and I'm gonna find out if it works, because I tried everything else, putting the, where is it at? I have this thing here. I tried putting it on here and hitting the top of it and then moving to the side, and it did not come off. So I'm gonna take the belt off, put a brand new belt, because I thought maybe that would help hold it. And then there's nothing here that could actually like make the tensioner be more tighter than what it can be. So we're gonna try to take the belt off, put this thing on the pulley, and then see if we crank that off. Let's see what happens.